Study of RIG VEDA, class 82. Today we are going through the Mandras 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in Sooktha-33 of Mandal-1. Here also the Devata is Indra. Indra is the coordinating force, coordinating all activities that taking place. If anyone is taking place at any time at any place, that is from starting from the creation of universe itself. It is the coordinating force based on things and this emerges out a force that is called Indra, which coordinated the activities. So there is a force which opposing this. Whenever we try to do something, there is a force which opposing it. So Indra is the force which destroys that opposition and convert the product materials into product. So let us go through the sixth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ-മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 33-6 അയുയുത്സ്തൻ അനവദ്യസ്യ സേനാമയാ ആദയന്തക്ഷിതയോ നവഗ്വാ വൃഷായുധോ നവദ്രയോ നിരഷ്ട പ്രവദദ്ഭിർ ഇന്ദ്രാചിതയന്ത ആയൻ.
Is that those who are opposing the activities, when we are doing trying to do some work, there is an opposition. We know, as per Newton's first law, third law, every action there is equal and opposite reaction. To do some work, we should oppose that and defeat that opposition. So, when we are doing some yajna or work, any work, there is an opposing force, and Indra, they are attacking Indra, which is trying to create a new thing. But Indra, with his help, strength, defeats that reaction, or that is Asura. That is what it says. Indra is the winner in that battle. Action and reaction. Action is the winner if it is performed scientifically. Now let us go through the seventh mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ-മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 33-7 ത്വം ഏതാൻ രുദതോ ജക്ഷത ഛായോധയോ രജസ ഇന്ദ്രപാരേ അവാദഹോ ദിവ ആ ദസ്യം ഉച്ച പ്രസുന്വത സ്തുവത സംസമാവാ.
It says Indra kills the Vritrasura from the upper atmosphere and throw him away on the earth. He killed that Vritrasura. We have already seen who is Vritrasura. Vritrasura means while performing any work, we are either separating atom with that material and rejoining it in another way so as to form a new product. So the opposition is acting on these orbits. First it is to be broken into two. These atoms are to be separated from the molecule. So this orbit is circular. That is Vritra. Vritra means circle. So that force which opposes the breaking operation of Indra is not Vritrasura. So wherever in the sky itself raining is due to combination of ions. There also Indra is acting. There also Vritra is there to oppose it. That is every action there is equal and opposite reaction. and Indra defeats that Vrithra, and he pulled that Vrithra, throw him away on the earth's surface. And here also, when we are doing some work, Indra is supporting us based on our stuti. Stuti means based on science. Indra is doing some work based on science. In the atmosphere, hydrogen and OH ion and OH negative ion will join to form water. That is the science principle. So there is a force in the science principle. We try to combine this ion to form water. So that is this truth, stotra. That is, there is a science. So Indra is acting based on our science principle where which we are applying to produce new things or to do some work. Now let us go through the eighth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 33-8 ചക്രണാസ പരീണഹം പൃഥ്വ്യാ ഹിരണ്യേന മണിനാ ശുംഭമാനാഹ ന ഹിന്യാനസസ് തിരുസ്ത ഇന്ദ്രം പരിസ്പശോ അദധാത് സൂര്യേണ.
It says, Vrithra in the atmosphere cover the atmosphere and separate the earth from the sun. That means that Vrithasura is in the cloud. In the cloud there are two types of charges, H positive ion and OH negative ion. Different types of charged clouds are there. It covers the atmosphere so that it's separated, and Vrithra is there inside the cloud, which opposes the combination of H and OH ions in the cloud to form water. It is opposite. So Vrithra cover the atmosphere with the cloud with a separate sun and earth. Vrithra. Then Indra came there and killed that Vrithasura and removed that cloud. How these different charged clouds join together to form water. So atmosphere become clean. So Indra destroyed that with Vrithasura, and by which we can see the sun. Now let us go through the ninth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 33-9 പരിയദിന്ദ്രരോദസീ ഉഭേ അംബുഭോജീർമഹിനാ വിശ്വദസീം അന്യമാനാം അഭിമന്യമാനൈർ നിർബ്രഹ്മഭിർ അധ മോദസ്യുമിന്ദ്ര.
Says Indra is there both in the atmosphere and on earth. Indra is there in the sky. Everywhere Indra is there. And it is acting there. Everywhere, wherever actions, some work are taking place. Work means on the sky, there are two types of clouds. And by combining these charged clouds, it forces that ions to join together and to fall on earth as rain. So it is acting there on the atmosphere. On the earth also we are doing several types of works, and Indra is taking part that in that works based on science principles, and convert that material into another. It says Indra is doing so based on stuti, because everything is happening based on certain science principles. Then only will Indra win the battle there and kill the Vrithasura. Now let us go through the 10th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 33-10. ന യേ ദിവാ പൃഥ്വ്യാ അന്തമഹാപൂർണമായാഭിർ ധനതാം പര്യഭ്രുവൻ യുജം വജ്രം വൃഷഭശ്ചക്ര ഇന്ദ്രോ നിർജ്യോതിഷാ തമസോഗാ അതുക്ഷത്.
It says, Vritra fails to separate the earth from the sun by creating a cloud, dark cloud, and thunder, etc. on the atmosphere. Vritra failed to separate the sun and the earth by filling clouds in the atmosphere. Then Indra went there and break that clouds and joined it in such a way so as to form the charred ions to water and to flow in the form of rain. So Vritra should have failed there and Indra win in that battle. So like we are getting milk from the cow, we are getting rain from the sky due to the action of this Indra. By killing Vritrasura there, which opposes the formation of rain from the cloud.